Petite little, don't mind my nails. Oh my god! Wow! Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's West African Queen, and for tonight's video, as you can tell by the title, my sugar daddy got me something, JK, my sugar daddy is me. My sugar daddy is me. I'm my sugar daddy, sugar mommy, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, let's get into this video. So obviously the bag and the new go with midnight green. I haven't opened it, and I bought it like 3 p.m. today, and it's what, 10:25. So that is the front, and then I got 256 gigabytes. Yes. So I'll go more into details about it, but if you guys are interested in me talking about what I'm actually recording on is the iPhone 8 Plus, and this bad boy or bad girl, please stay tuned. Now I'm going to open, I'm kind of nervous. I'm going to open the phone now. So it has like a little tab here. Ooh. It's like a Christmas present, but I'm not even there yet. And this is it. Freshly fresh. Wow, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. So don't mind my nails. Damn, this shit open. There we go. Ooh! Yo, this is actually pretty as fuck. Excuse my language. This is the phone. I had to hold both sides because my dumbass. This is it. I'm excited. Like, I didn't have the 10X or whatever the next one. I went from straight up the 8 Plus to this bad boy. So this is the front. I'm gonna show it again. This is the front. You can even see my phone through glass, and then this is the back. So the battery, the charging cord, which is slightly different. It helps, of course, with charging it faster. And this is finally something different. Let me see. Let me do the YouTuber thing. I have some same headphones. I already got it. I honestly thought, because I was watching reviews, and I thought they would put the AirPods, because damn, like, paying a lot for this shit. I'm getting the same headphones. I don't know if I'm really that late, but this finally, like, I don't know if they, because when I had the 8 Plus, they never provided this, or maybe I never looked, but finally comes with that pin so that you don't have to be using something else. I don't know how to turn the phone off. Yeah. Ooh, petite little, don't mind my nails. Oh my god! Wow! I'm just gonna set it up right now. I have my personal reasons as to why I bought this phone. One of it is because the iPhone 8 Plus that I have right now, I actually paid it off, and I'll be giving that to my mother. So obviously, in order for me to do that, I have to get a new phone. And then on top of it too, I honestly couldn't wait. Like, if I had to wait for the next one, that's a whole nother year. I have this paid off. I don't have the 10, I have the 8 Plus. This also has a 256 gigabytes. This is obviously also 256. I couldn't choose 64 because, I mean, I'm going to need space, and I'm just used to, it's better to have more of what you need than not enough. So that's why I got it. An iPhone 7 that was paid off, that was also 128 gigabytes, and I traded that in, so it actually reduced the amount that I'm going to be paying monthly with this phone like it took off what, $150, and the 7, I was gonna give that to my mother, but actually it became useless because of some reason. So I just decided to turn it back in and, you know, let it go towards this. I didn't have that. Light or dark? Dark, of course, I don't know. Black is the shits. You buy this phone literally for the camera quality. If you're someone that really is not going to use your camera as much, then that's a different type of... Oh, so this is going to restore. And I'm just going to talk more about it. Wow, look at the fingerprints already. Talk about it as it restores. Well, the difference obviously between the iPhone 8 Plus and this phone is going from a Touch ID to a Face ID. I'm going to kind of have to adjust to that, but it won't probably take me long to adjust to it personally, because I just don't trust like a whole fucking device being waterproof. So I'm not even gonna test that at all. The iPhone 8 Plus. So remember, this is the iPhone 8 Plus recording, and then I will show the iPhone 11 Pro Max recording. And also that I actually, because I did over the weekend, I did a whole lot of research. I suggest that you do research when you're making a big purchase like this. Know what you're buying. Don't upgrade just to upgrade. Like, you have the iPhone 11, which is really affordable as hell. Like, I would have gotten it personally, but when I went to go look at it in person, it was small for me. And when I did the research, watched like about 4 or 5 videos about the difference between the 11 Pro, and the 11 Pro Max, and like what a typical person like would need the 11 Pro versus like the 11 versus the 11 Pro Max. And for me personally, because I'm starting this new journey, I think it's best for me to have the 11 Pro Max. Wait for the phone to restore, and then I will come back and see what it do, baby. What it do, baby? Screen record. So yeah, it already has like my stuff. I think almost all my apps. Yes, I have a lot. Oh, it uploaded my other apps that I deleted today because I didn't. Oh well, it's cool. I'll just delete some of it. So yeah, this is one to put it in the corner. Maybe I should be in the corner more. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, this is what you're looking at. Obviously the camera quality is what. Ooh, oh, I look ugly right now. But what is it? 0.5, bro. I mean, come on. Yes, this is my desk right now. 1. I mean, I'm pretty ugly. That's okay. That's okay. Ooh. I mean, it's breaking up, but it is what it is. And that mirror is dirty, so yeah. And let's see. Oh, oh, bitch! I know I got pimples and all, but come on. Let me put that message away. Imagine when I put my makeup on and I get cute. What you gonna do? Who you gonna check? Let's see. What is it? Oh, there's a portrait front camera, bro. Like, when I try to take makeup pictures, because I want to get into that, I don't need studio light. It's so hard. Finally. Oh, this is gonna be helpful. I'll probably look crazy on there too, but let's see. I want to see, like, I think they had the video. Okay. Slow-mo. Let's see how that plays. Ew. That is dope, and you can edit. Finally! Oh my god, this. I'm telling you, I gotta do. I mean, I kind of knew about some of these stuff. Look at all this breakout. We're gonna just hide that. So yeah. This is the update. This is the iPhone 8 Plus that I'm recording right now. I'm about to switch it so that you can see the difference of that. So I hope I look okay, because my thing don't want to help a girl out. But yeah, so this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I don't know how I look right now because it's not connected to my computer. This is when it's like extremely far away, which is crazy, bro. Like, I mean, I clicked on it before coming to watch it, and it is insane. This is the closed lens one, so your girl's tired. This is the end of the freaking video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little informative, but if you are looking to get the new iPhone, I suggest that you do your research. Do your damn research. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Thank you for watching this video.